Hey everybody, tonight we're having bite-sized Asian Zing deep fried ribs. I hope you enjoy this recipe. First you want to wash your ribs, pat dry with a paper towel, and then they're ready to be seasoned. I purchased these ribs already pre-cut at the market. When it comes to the seasonings, I'm keeping it simple with onion powder, seasoned salt, and garlic powder. You want to mix well, making sure that each rib is nicely coated with seasoning. Here's the fun part. Flour is optional, but I'm using cornstarch. 9 times out of 10, if you see me fry something, I've used cornstarch. Every time my chicken, fish, whatever I'm using comes out super crispy. When you're done mixing, your ribs should look like this. Before frying the ribs, I'm cutting plantains to be fried as well. This is one of my sides for tonight. When it comes to plantains, cut them however you like. I prefer thin slices. Either way, still comes out tasting delicious. Let's begin frying. I'm pouring my oil in and also turning my stove to medium high heat. First I'm starting with the ribs. After that, I'm going to then fry the plantain. This is random, but I hate voiceovers. Either way, practice makes perfect, so I'm going to keep practicing and doing it until I get better at it. Okay, so while my ribs are frying, I'm going to work on my second side. We're having fried rice along with the plantains tonight. All I did was cut up onions, peppers, tomato, and I'm going to saute that. Added my seasonings, same seasonings, the only difference is I added Maggi cube. Stir that, add in your rice, and you're good to go. If you know, you know, and some of you do know because you've had this meal or this dish at my house before. Alright, so your ribs should be ready now. You want to make sure they're golden brown, nice and crispy before you take them out. Once they're that color, just like that, put them on a drying rack and set them to the side. Our ribs are done. It's sauce time. I'm using Buffalo Wild Wings Asian Zing sauce. You can use whatever you like, and this is what I prefer. I got a big old bowl. I'm going to mix that, and then lastly, I'm plating that. Delicious. Look at that. Again, if you know, you know. Dinner is ready, and until next time, thank you for watching.